the question asks, if you measure out 5.2 grams of magnesium, how many atoms are present? Now, determine first, what are you given? We're given grams of magnesium. We're asked to find a relationship between grams and atoms. So we're going from grams to atoms. Is there a direct relationship between the number of grams and the number of atoms? There is not. But you do know how many grams are in a mole of magnesium, and you also know the relationship between moles and atoms. To determine the number of grams in 1 mole of magnesium, you have to look at the periodic table to determine the molar mass. And you look up the molar mass, and it's going to be 24.3 grams per mole of magnesium. And that is from the periodic table, the atomic mass. You also know that 1 mole of any substance is equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. And you know that from Avogadro's number. So now, we can take our given amount, 5.2 grams of magnesium, set up our first conversion factor. We want to cancel out grams, go to moles. So we take our 24.3 grams of magnesium per 1 mole of magnesium. We have now canceled grams of magnesium. We're left in moles. If we want to go from moles to atoms, set up a second conversion factor. And we say that 1 mole of magnesium is equivalent to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of magnesium. And that will be equal to 1.3 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of magnesium. We got that by taking 5.2, multiplying by 1, dividing by 24.3, multiplying by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, dividing by 1, and we kept our significant figures constant by having 2 sig figs to start and having 2 significant figures to end.